Do you think that you need to have a partner to learn Tantra? Hi, I'm D'Vita with YesTantra.com. I'm going to talk about misconceptions people have about Tantra. I had these myself. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need a partner to learn Tantra. That is not true. All you need is yourself to be able to begin learning Tantra. Dive into these powerful, transformative practices, these techniques and tools I teach so you can experience powerful transformation in your life. Tantra doesn't just impact your sex life. It has a positive impact on your entire life. It's not all about what happens in the bedroom. Tantra helps with your inner world and helps you do your inner healing. Your inner world impacts your outer world. I find that my clients are able to better integrate and embody these tools and techniques when they do their home play exercises on their own. When they have that level of self-mastery, they then invite their partner to join them. Also, if they're wanting to attract a partner, it's beautiful because once you learn how to be the best lover to yourself, you raise self-love through Tantra. Your confidence goes up, your magnetism goes up, and then you're able to attract better partners. When we start being more vibrant, we're having more pleasure, we're not waiting for someone else to make us feel that satisfaction. When we feel loved and radiate love out into the world, then all of a sudden we start attracting people, experiences, opportunities start flowing to us more freely. It's so powerful. Also turbocharging law of attraction with your life force energy, your most creative energy. People don't realize is that many parts of it are about self-love, presence, connection, having a better relationship with yourself, healing any wounds that you may be having from previous relationships. A lot of times with our heart, we can be so guarded because we don't want to be vulnerable because we've had past hurts, either through relationships we had with our parents or with previous partners. So we guard ourselves so much. Tantra gives you tools to open up your heart. When you have this openness, we think we're guarding ourselves to keep from being hurt, and we're not going to allow hurt to enter us. But what we're really doing is when we're not open, we're limiting what we can experience because our openness allows more magical things in the universe to flow our way. So stepping into your power, feeling vibrant, realizing how powerful it is to own your sexual energy, to balance your divine masculine energy or your divine feminine energy, to vibrate at this higher energetic level, feel more vibrant in your body, feel more energetic. You start to flow more within your life. So instead of forcing and trying to really make things happen and just feeling that frustration as you continue to hit a wall, you start allowing, you start flowing as you move through the world. It's so beautiful, and people love that energy. They love that energy when they see people that just are so comfortable in their own skin and they exude that confidence. When you vibrate your energy field, your aura field, when you're vibrating at a high level of love, love is such a high frequency that it expands several feet around your energy field, and people feel that presence whenever you're around them. They don't necessarily know why, but all of a sudden people will be more attracted to you and you'll be able to engage in more friendships. Tantra is the game changer. It can impact your life in so many beautiful ways. What are your goals? What do you feel like you could attain? What could you experience through Tantra? I want to see that happen for you. Let's see how you can begin this journey to transforming your life through Tantra.